Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make my mom's Assyrian white rice. You're going to want to wash your rice pretty aggressively to make sure any residue and starch comes off the rice grains. Wash the rice a few times until the water runs clear. At the stove, add a high heat oil to your pot. This is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, but avocado oil also works. You'll want the oil to be around 300 degrees Fahrenheit before adding in your washed rice. Tap away so no grains are left behind. The pot will be at medium heat while you saute the rice grains for about a minute. After a minute, add salt to taste. Sauté for another 2 minutes until you can smell the rice is toasty and the grains have become opaque and white. You don't want them to be very translucent at this point. After sautéing the rice, add boiling water to the pot. All the measurements are in the description. Stir the rice for about a minute before placing the lid on the pot. You'll want the lid to be slightly cracked open. After about a minute, stir the rice. At this point, about half the water has either been absorbed or evaporated. Place the lid on the pot cracked open just like before. After 2 minutes, stir the rice again. Now you're going to cover the lid completely and set the heat to low. This is what you want your rice to look like before closing the lid completely. Most of the water at this point has evaporated. After 15 minutes, the rice has absorbed the remaining liquid. Fluff the rice very gently. Do not mix or stir the rice too hard. You don't want to break any of the grains, just fluff to add some air. Thanks for watching. The recipe is in the description. Leave any comments or questions down below.